I did not send any message.
It's okay, sir. Fine, sir. Fine.
What about others? Okay, no,
Others,
even Saturday also I joined by 7:50 only, but nobody joined.
but I was there, sir. In WhatsApp, you messaged me, right?
Yeah,
So,
yeah, in WhatsApp I have seen. Then okay, nobody joined. That's why I left that. Okay.
okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. So today also, why? Even Bhavya also not joined. Manju also not joined.
But she was there, sir. At 7, she messaged.
7 she messaged.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, okay, check with. 7 she messaged. Manjunath. She is not responding. Manjunath online only, but why he is not joining? Okay, last class I started with vendor master data, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, xk01 I explained. Okay, xk01 meaning vendor master data. Company code is, what is the company code name? Something LG. LG05, huh?
Yes, sir.
LG05. Purchasing organization is LG.
The account group was GMDO, sir.
Hello, Sudarshan.
Sir, yes, sir.
Now can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you, sir, now.
Okay, okay. Sorry, it is muted actually. I don't know why. Let's see. Last class, I explained one concept how to maintain the mandatory, how to deactivate the mandatory. Do you remember? This is mandatory field. I don't want. How to maintain using vendors, controls, define account groups, position. Last class we worked GMDO, okay, company code data, account management. Here it is not maintained. We have the another option called purchasing organization wise, transaction code wise. Okay, let me deactivate this central vendor, company code data, account management. See now, these two are activated. Just deactivate, save, then go to XK01. Yeah, now it is allowing, but we have to maintain compulsory. Okay, reconciliation account we have to maintain, otherwise we will get errors. How to maintain, I'll show later. Say now completed. Now GMRI is completed. Let me MKVZ. What is MKVZ?
Vendors for.
Okay, vendor report. Purchasing organization wise we will create. See now, I created 0 Ganga domestic. This is also I created Ganga domestic. One time vendor also I created. SGR I created. HP I created. Total 5 vendors I created. Okay, all are different. Okay, naming conventions. Okay, this is one time vendor. Okay, one time vendor. Correct only. Okay, correct only. Let me check this particular vendor. Let me just check the vendor. XK02. XK02. Second vendor I'll check with accounting information. It is giving not created under company code. Why? Browse. I don't know what is happening here. If I browse here, it will show the company code. Okay, see now only one company code wise, only one it is showing. Okay, only one GMRI today only. But what about this all? What about domestic? Why it is not going to show? Okay, let me check now. Account group wise, GMR, GMDO, Correct. Let me check with the central. Okay, correct. Only one it is there. Okay, whatever data we maintained, only central organization wise there, but all the data it is left here. Means something removed from our database, as you have seen already. Okay, FS00, it is FS00 is a transaction code to check the accounts details. Okay, it's here. This is GVKI is here. Let me check here. Is it our server, daily server? GMRI. Sure. Means no account is found here. No account is found. Hey, no, if there is no account, then okay, we will get error here. I told you in basic class, sir. Do you remember that FBL3N?
Yes, sir.
FBL3N, what is the purpose of FBL3N?
Sir, to check the GL accounts whether it's linked to our company or not.
Code or not, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
If I check that GMRI, it won't show any G. It is here. There's no account it is showing. Okay, there's no account it is showing. Why?
It's not linked, sir. It is not.
Exactly. Okay, for this company code, it is not maintained properly. This company code not maintained properly, meaning accounts are not maintained properly. Then what I have to do? I have to recreate once again company code data once again. Let me check with other company code.
Yeah, sir. We can use other company code also.
That is GVKI, not GVKI. Something HP or LG.
Sir, LG, sir.
LG05. Let me check the LG05. Execute. Yes. Okay. I think no items. See now, accounts are there, no? LG05?
Yes, sir.
Company code. Then let me cross check once again EC01. Just I am revising all the points,
Okay, sir. Okay.
because almost 1 week gap, 5 days gap we got it. That's what I am
Yes.
revising. Structure. Under that navigation. Okay. Under navigation, Control F. LG05. LG05. Double click. See now, it is clearly, it is related. Our plants only, na LGBN correct only.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what I have to do? I have to create for LG related. I have to create. Okay, but I created something domestic GMR related. I created, I think, last session.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's why some mismatching the data. What I'll do, instead of GMDO, I'll create one more account group. Last session means the Wednesday, Thursday session I explained. That Wednesday session, I am going to repeat you once again the topic.
Okay, sir. Fine, sir.
Okay, that is the topic name you can call account group creation. Because last class GMR I created, once again I am repeating with the share. Let me come back. New vendor I will create it once again with the LG. SPRO, IMG, okay, IMG, okay, IMG, Logistic General, Logistic General, business partner, vendors, control, define account groupings. Execute. Execute. Okay, position. Position. We are creating new one. Okay, we are creating new one. New entries. New entries. LGDO. LG domestic vendor. Click on save. Like this, you can create here n number of vendors. New entries. Okay, LG. Okay, goods supplier. LG goods supplier. Two I created. We have to maintain here number range. Last class I maintained same way. Define number ranges for vendor master. Just go to intervals. You can choose any interval. Okay, you can choose any interval, or otherwise you can recreate. 04 is there. I can use 04. 04 existing one only. I am going to change here number range, position, LGDO, LGGS. I will maintain here 04, 04. Click on save. Okay, click on save. Now it is ready. Okay, now it is ready. Back. Okay, back. Then we will create the vendor now. Okay, we will create the vendor.
Sir, if in case we want to create a new number range.
That is last class I told you, no? Number range, intervals. Okay, intervals. Here you choose here 399 somebody created, no?
Okay, sir. Okay.
We'll create 499 something. Okay, something like LG. Okay, 4. How many zeros? That is 5 zeros. 5 zeros. 49999. Save. It is here overlapping. Overlapping. Why? Because number range is already existed. If number range is already existed, then it will show overlapping. Then I'll recreate here once again with L1. Okay, I'll recreate with some other number. 599. Sure, everything is overlapping. That's why I used the existing one. If it is here now, there are so many number range series students are practicing here. See here now? So many number series. They already practiced here. Okay, let me change here once again with the sorry. With this series I will create. This is very long series. Save it. Okay, it's overlapping only. Let me change here. Okay, now it is changed. Huh?
Yes,
I'll
sir.
use this number range. Copy plus symbol L1 or L2. This is 99 is there. I will maintain 100. 99 already existed. Then I'll use 300. Some 399 I'll use. 39. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now already existed. L2 is already existed. I will use some L5. Okay. Now it is saved. Okay. You can use here your number range now onwards. You can assign its number range, position. L5 I created. L5. L5 I created. That's it. Now see our number range only will come. Okay. Now new number range will come. Okay. Now new number range. 1 second. Now new number range should come. Okay, let's see. Go to XK01 new vendor creation. XK01 I am creating from new now onwards. LG05 something LG ST something LG DO. Okay, new number range HPLG something like India. Again, see now you will get exactly reconciliation account. If you browse here, you will get the accounts. Correct?
Yes, sir.
For GMR, it not yet come. GMR.
Yes.
Why?
So because it was not linked to GL accounts.
Exactly. Because of GL accounts are not linked properly. Okay. Just we have worked already, but just once again I am repeating that step. Okay, repeating this step.
Okay, sir. Okay.
31,000 I will maintain. Compulsory GL accounts you have to maintain. Otherwise, you won't get proper. Okay, FI integration you won't get it.
Okay, sir.
Enter, currency, enter, save. That's it. One vendor is created. Like this, you can create any vendor. Okay, any vendor you can create it. New vendors. Bangalore. Enter, currency, save. Okay, I created two vendors. Let's see that. Open MKVZ, LGST, two vendors I created. Oh, before also there are so many vendors here now. Before, but today I created Turbo and as well as MRF. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, like that we will create n number of vendors. Will create it for our LG group. Okay, LG group. Even GMR also I created, but GMR we have limited. But I created this all. Okay, this all. Now, okay, now one more step is there. Here, what is the use of this particular field names here? Like example, let's take screen field. Okay, screen layout. Screen layout means while creating this XK01, you will get some fields here. Okay, you will get some fields. How to maintain that fields, mandatory fields, optional fields, that related to only purchasing organization. This address is not purchasing organization.
Okay,
Meaning,
sir.
let's see. Open first XK02. Then you will get clear idea. XK02 means what is the purpose of XK02?
So to change the vendor.
Vendor. Let's see. You just here. If you maintain account group wise field selection, you can edit all. You can edit all whatever you want. You can edit here fields. If you maintain purchasing organization wise, if you maintain purchase second option, if you maintain purchasing organization wise, you see here.
Only purchasing organization.
Exactly, only purchasing. If you maintain transaction code wise, you can do it all. General data, okay, company code data, purchasing data. All you can maintain. Understood the procedure?
Yes, sir. Got it.
But this is account group wise, this is code wise. That is the difference. That's it. Remaining procedure is same. I'll show one more example for purchasing organization wise. Let's see. Now, here let me enter the vendor number, something like any vendor number. It's not existed. I'll browse here. Let me take one vendor, new vendor only. I think this is a new vendor. New vendor. Purchasing data. Let's see. INR, I mean, if I want to maintain terms of payment is mandatory, only purchasing. If I want to maintain terms of payment is mandatory, we can do it by using this step. Okay, write down one note. How to maintain last class we worked already, just I am repeating once again with a new
sir.
code. Okay, new code. Tomorrow we will work out new one.
Yes, yes.
Okay, new one. Terms, okay, how to maintain terms of payment. Terms of payment under purchasing data. Under purchasing data. Under purchasing. To do this one, configuration. Go to up to define screen layout. Okay, go to define screen layout. Execute. Define screen layout to purchasing organization. Execute. Select here 001. Select here 001. Copy as. Copy as. Copy as. And rename it to LGST. Okay, our purchasing organization name. What is the name? LGST only, no? Purchasing organization. I think LGST is there here. Let me cross check once again. Yes. Here LGST already created. Okay, LGST. Double click on LGST. Okay, double click on LGST. Double click on. Okay, double click on purchasing data. Double click on purchasing data. Double click on purchasing data. Here terms of payment is field is suppressed here, required entry, optional, display. We have to select here instead of optional, select here required entry. Okay, select here required entry. Understood, Sudarshan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, meaning terms of payment is nothing but a, okay, it is a one particular field name. Okay, while maintaining the payment related option, this is mandatory. For that only it will work on only purchasing data only. It will work on only purchasing, meaning if you use this particular purchasing organization, then it will pop up the terms of payment. If you use some other purchasing organization, it won't work. If you use this purchasing organization, it will work. Okay, only LGST. Okay, click on save. Okay, back. Click on save, back. Okay, now let me retest once again. Okay, retest. Go to first. Let me save. New vendor. I'll create it. 01 XK01. Same step. Testing. Enter. See the difference. 31,000. Enter. See the difference here. You will get here tick mark here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, before it was not there. Okay, now only for purchasing organization, if you maintain this purchasing organization, it will appear. Okay, it will appear. Now I have to maintain compulsory currency and as well as terms of payment. Okay, terms of payment. Pay immediately, do net. Okay, click on save. Okay, click on save. That's it. Now it is created. Okay, now it is created. Okay, this is about the just creation of vendor with purchasing organization wise. Okay, with the purchasing organization wise. Now, if I test here with another purchasing organization wise, let's see the difference now. Let me create with LG. What the name? LG standard, LG reference RP. LG RF we created, LG ST, LG RF. Now if I select the LG RF, let's observe the difference now.
Okay,
Enter.
sir.
Testing for the purchasing organization, testing for purchasing organization, enter. See, this time terms of payment is not mandatory. See here.
Yes, sir.
Order currency also not mandatory. Terms of also not mandatory. Why?
So
Because
because
of
it's separate purchasing
separate
organization.
purchasing organization. Okay, that is the main difference. Whenever we are working with a different purchasing organization, even will maintain purchasing organization wise. Okay, vendors also you can create. Now one more vendor also I created. Okay, one more vendor also I created. It's clear now.
Yes, sir.
Next. Okay, next. We have transaction codes like I told you three types of transaction codes: central vendor,
Accounting vendor
purchasing
and
vendor,
purchase vendor.
and one more
Purchasing vendor.
accounting vendor. Accounting vendor and purchasing vendor. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Now, okay, one second. If you create here like a central vendor, I need some fields. Some fields should be mandatory. If I create a purchasing vendor, some field should be mandatory. If I create a accounting vendor, some field should be mandatory. Like meaning, we never use accounting vendor, we never use purchasing vendor, we always use central vendor only. But example wise, I'm trying to explain here. Example wise means whenever you are going to use here purchasing vendor or central vendor, some field should be mandatory. Like example, name is mandatory here. Name
Okay.
field.
Okay.
Here, if you observe now, your name field is not mandatory here.
Yes, sir.
You have to maintain transaction code based, okay, mandatory fields you have to maintain. How to maintain transaction code? Next note. Okay, next note. Okay, next note. Maintain transaction based, okay, mandatory fields. Okay, mandatory fields. Up to now, I discussed purchasing organization wise. I discussed, and first one is account group wise. I discussed. Now this is third one. Okay, this is third one. How to maintain transaction code? Like example, centrally vendor. Centrally vendor is nothing but a XK01. Okay, XK01 or okay MK01, whatever it is, or MK01 meaning purchasing wise vendor, or okay one more FK01, okay accounting wise vendor, Okay, accounting vendor. Whenever you are going to maintain like this type of transactions, how to do it? Okay, very simple step. Same as above step. Same as above step. Up to control. Same as above path. Same as above path. Okay, centrally vendor, purchasing vendor, and accounting vendor. Okay, accounting vendor. To do this step, go to same as above path, control, define transaction dependent screen layout. Okay, define transaction code. Okay, define transaction based screen layout, dependent screen layout. Execute. Create vendor centrally, create vendor purchasing wise, create vendor accounting wise. We have 3 levels. Whatever you want you can use, but centrally we used to work. Centrally I'll show it. You can work on purchasing wise. I'll show the purchasing also, but try now centrally.
Yes, sir.
Okay, centrally. Centrally I will show it clearly. Double click. We have all field status. Field status means field names. All the field names are inside. General data. Under that address I am working on that. Address. Okay, address. Under that name field should be required entry. Save here. Continue. Save, continue. Now test here. See here it is not mandatory tick mark. Let me retest. XK01. Enter. Observe this one.
Yes, sir. Now it's mandatory.
Mandatory. Now if I check once again with MK01, what will happen? MK01?
Sir, it will be optional, sir.
Exactly. That is what I am trying to say. Okay, it should be optional in MK01. Why? Because it is a transaction dependent. Let's see that this one.
Yes, sir.
Then let me open one more session. FK01 also I'll retest here. All I am checking, all the tree code, but actually we won't test it all. But I am going to show now with the FK01 also retest here. Now check the difference here.
Yes, sir. Got it.
There. Okay, this is we can call all testing. Okay, all the transaction code testing. Like whatever the like, if you use here FK01 or MK01, it won't appear. But if you test here XK01 somewhere here, where it is XK01, this is I think this is a XK01. It is mandatory. Okay, it is mandatory. Okay, this is the way to maintain the fields. Okay, tomorrow class. Actually, today I supposed to explain another concept, but anyhow, okay, I covered some points under purchasing organization and transaction code. Okay, you just retest here once again, recheck and reconfigure. Configure once again with your company code. Tomorrow class, very important under vendor master data, we can call partner functions. Okay, it is a project oriented concept. Everything is project oriented only, but this is most of the times we'll use here partner functions.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Partner, very important concept. Okay, I don't know today now. Okay, Manjunath also not joined. Okay, we'll see. Okay, I'll message evening. Okay, I'll message. Don't waste the session tomorrow.
Yes.
Yeah.
So one more doubt, sir.
Yeah, ask me.
Sir, if along now we are learning SAP MM.
So
along with SAP MM, like if you want to take another module like SAP Ariba, So which module will be the best for along with
S4,
SAP?
S4 HANA is best for you.
S4 HANA is enough.
Here, Ariba is the only limited companies can use it. Means only okay, if they are not using like a S4 HANA database. If they want to go for only web link related, Ariba
Okay.
can go only limited. But S4, MM companies 99% should go for S4 HANA. Okay, S4 HANA
Okay.
model only. Okay?
Okay.
That's the best. Yeah. Ariba only limited like UAE countries. Okay, these countries only can use it, not for all the companies.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yes,
Let's
sir.
see it tomorrow. Right. I'll stop it now.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.